Have you ever finished a great programming project, only to realize the development board you used is way too big to fit inside the project case? It is a common frustration for many of us working on custom home automation or compact sensor nodes. This is where the M5Stack ATOM Lite comes into play. It is an incredibly compact development kit based on the ESP32 platform, designed specifically for those situations where every millimeter of space counts in your final build. The main benefit here is the form factor. When you are building something like a wearable device or a sensor that needs to hide behind a wall switch, using a standard-sized board is often not an option. This tiny module changes that constraint entirely. Even though it is small, it packs the power of the ESP32 chip. This means you are getting built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity right out of the box, which is essential for any modern internet-connected project you might be planning. Because it uses the ESP32 architecture, you can use the same coding environments you are already familiar with. It is designed to be a bridge between a quick prototype and a finished, deployable product, which saves you a lot of time. Think of this for projects like a small Wi-Fi remote, a status light indicator, or a custom sensor node. Because it is so lightweight, you can easily mount it anywhere with a bit of double-sided tape or a custom 3D printed bracket. A quick practical caution though, because the board is so small, you don't get the dozens of pins you would see on a larger board. Before you buy, double-check your sensor requirements to make sure you have enough GPIO pins to handle all your peripherals. I always recommend taking a look at the pinout diagrams online before finalizing your schematic. It is better to know exactly what you are working with before you start soldering your wires to the board, just to avoid any configuration headaches later. Currently, this kit is listed at $10.71. For a specialized tool that can really clean up your projects and make them look more professional, it is a reasonably priced option for any electronics hobbyist or developer. If you are ready to shrink your project, definitely check the latest details and compare different variants to see if the ATOM Lite is the right choice for your specific needs. It might be the upgrade your setup is missing.